Hi everyone, this is Tina Cavazzoni with Ward White Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my new listing at 14 Boston Road in Neptune City. Boston Road has 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, a 2-car detached garage, all situated on a 50 by 100 lot. We are super close to the beaches of Belmar, the awesome restaurants in Asbury, and Avon beaches are less than a mile away. Steps down the road, you'll find Shark River and Memorial Park. At Memorial Park, you could store your kayak or your paddle boards, and you can gain access to the water from there. Thank you for taking a tour with me today. If you'd like to see this property, feel welcome to call me at 908-814-2582. Thanks.